question in preparing is, what have you been doing for the last 2 weeks leading up to today?
The last couple of weeks we've been cleaning things, dusting things off, and trying equipment out to make sure that they actually work. Both pressure washers needed a significant amount of work. One of the forklifts needed some work. It seems like pretty much everything needed some repair, including today when we used one of the presses. It required some repair that really you're only going to find when you put it under some pressure. And I don't want to pressurize these bags when there's no grapes inside the presses. That's a lot to stretch the whole thing. So what we found that probably when the press was put to bed last year, whoever was washing it stepped on a little plastic hose that it broke it nearly off, so that we weren't able to keep all of the air in the press. So it made it a little more challenging to press things.
What was your response to that? What's your solution?
The solution was to take it apart, and actually I took a little piece of a rubber mat and cut a tiny little disc out of it, and I put it in where the hose went, and then just screwed the fitting back onto it. I was trying to take all of the stuff off and put actually a nice solid plug in there, but it was coming off kind of hard, and I could just see myself breaking the brass fitting. So I decided I would just put a Band-Aid on rather than a tourniquet. And I'm thrilled that I know the thing's going to hold, because we're going at very low pressures here. It's not what the press was designed for. We're probably going 10% of what the press was designed for.
Will you hold with that solution through harvest, or will you try to?
I'd like to tell you that I'd actually fix it properly before we get further into harvest, but my guess is that I'm just going to ride with it unless we get a nice long break in there and I'm looking for something to do.